Hey guys, and welcome to the BrickBox and a review of a all new poly bag, fresh and ready for Christmas. It is set 40034 and this is the Christmas train. Comes with 82 pieces as well, and it has an age range of 6 years plus. Does feature 16 silver wheels, a train engine and a car full of candy canes that you can see at the back there. Now, to buy this in the UK you will need to spend £3.99. In America it will cost $4.99. In Canada $6.99. Europe €4.99, and for Australia $7.99 to purchase this. So there is the front of the poly bag and there is the rear of it. So without further delay guys, let's open this up and take a look. So here is your Christmas train, and it does look quite good for the cheapness of the set. It does look pretty cool and would be a very nice Christmas decoration, definitely in all these festive colours, the greens, the whites, the reds, and we have some golds in there as well. So it's definitely a pretty cool set for the price range. And we do have that one carriage with these candy canes there, just made up of a few tile pieces or 1x1s, all in red and white. So those are quite basic but rather effective at the same time. We have two of those, and this is the carriage section at the back, and it will fit as standard with this ball joint there, which is common to a lot of these train sets, and then that will just clip in very nicely. We do have these black and silver wheels as well running all the way through it, and there you can see the driver section of the train, the engine section there. You could put a minifigure in there easily. If you wanted to add a minifigure to that, you do have the option of doing that. And all this is tiled inside here guys. It's finished off really nicely, and there is the underside of both the engine and the carriage section. And then just to the front we have the chimney section of the engine, and we have two there. This must be the bell and this must be the chimney section, and there we have the bull bar section at the front, finished in black and gold. But that is pretty much it guys, not much more to say about that. And of course the wheels do move, and when it is moving, the silver against the black does make the wheels look really cool and gives it a very nice effect as well against all the reds and the greens. So yeah, definitely a massive thumbs up for this set guys, as it is so cheap, it is very affordable, and it does look great, especially as a Christmas decoration. So I will give this a 8 out of 10 simply because of the price range, and it is a nice little compact set. Well, there you have it guys, that was your Christmas train, all new and ready for Christmas of 2012. Please let me know what you think, as usual, in the comments box below. But I will see you again here on the BrickBox next time. Until then, brick on.